Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to generate pay stubs in Wave. Pay stubs are essential for transparency and record keeping. Wave makes it easy to generate and distribute them. All you gotta do, first step, go to the payroll tab. From the sidebar, you're gonna click on payroll, and then you're gonna choose pay periods or payroll history. Next, step 2, select a completed payroll run. Choose the payroll cycle you want to view. Once completed runs will allow pay stubs generation. Only completed runs will allow pay stub generation. Step 3, click on an employee name. Now you're going to be taken to the individual payroll summaries for that pay period. Step 4, click view pay stubs. This will open a detailed pay stub that's going to show gross earnings, taxes withheld, benefits and deductions, as well as net pay and year-to-date totals. Step 5, download or print the pay stubs. You can click download PDF to save it, or you can choose to print it directly from your browser. Step 6, send pay stubs via email. If the employee email address is in Wave, they're going to receive their pay stubs automatically after payroll is processed. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.